I'm burying the Lego set and I need suggestions. So let me show you the Lego sets. So there is Ant-Man, he's one of them. There's this Ninjago Dragons Rising set. There's this War Machine down here. There's also, wait, could bury this one. Could also maybe possibly bury one of the new Animal Crossing sets, or bury one of these. So comment what set I should build and maybe your set can be chosen. Alright, with a lot of hard time thinking, this is the set I've chosen to build. The new Ford Mustang Dark Horse. This thing is insane. Let's go bury it. Just found a shovel. Now somebody can go get the Lego set. You want the Lego set? Oh, whoa. Let's go. Alright. Okay. So, right about there is where we're going to dig the hole. I'm gonna clear up some area and set y'all right here. If I can. Alright. Okay, well, I'm gonna go find something to kind of like mark the place. Oh, what do you know? We got a little slab right there. Okay, so I found the slab that we're gonna use. I'm gonna set y'all back down here. And we're gonna continue burying. The hole is dug, so let's bury it. Alright, let's put all the dirt back in. Alright. Let's get the pallet. That's a lot of books. Let me sit down the camera for this. And also, it's about to rain. That's why I'm trying to hurry. Year from now, we'll pick this up and year from now, we will dig this up and we're gonna unbury it. So stay tuned, because next year, I probably said next week a couple times, but next year we're gonna unbury this. Also, that center block was very heavy. Time for the outro. It probably doesn't have one, but see y'all in a year. Technically next week, but in a year. I'll see you guys later. Peace.